Who was the first Indian to receive the Paramveer Chakra posthumously? Correct answer is option B. Major Somnath Sharma. Which river flows through the most number of Indian states? Correct answer is option A. Ganga River. Which article of the Constitution deals with the armed forces? Correct answer is option C. Article 33. Operation Meghdoot was related to which region? Correct answer is option B. Siachen Glacier. What is the official motto of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option D. Seva Paramo Dharma. Who was the first Indian Chief of Defence Staff? Correct answer is option A. General Bipin Rawat. Which is the largest paramilitary force in India? Correct answer is option B. CRPF. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Correct answer is option A. 1757. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer is option C. Gujarat. Which missile is known as Agni-V? Correct answer is option B. Intercontinental ballistic missile. India shares the longest border with which country? Correct answer is option D. Bangladesh. Which organ of the United Nations is responsible for maintaining peace and security? Correct answer is option D. UNSC. Which Indian freedom fighter formed the Azad Hind Fauj? Correct answer is option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first female Defence Minister of India? Correct answer is option A. Indira Gandhi. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? Correct answer is option A. INS Vikrant. Which country gifted the Statue of Unity to India? Correct answer is option C. India built it. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Correct answer is option A. Mars is known as Red Planet. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is option C. Nitrogen gas. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Correct answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Which award is the highest gallantry award during peacetime? Correct answer is option B. Ashok Chakra. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Correct answer is option A. Kavaratti. Which mountain range separates India from Central Asia? Correct answer is option C. Himalayas mountain range. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? Correct answer is option A. Ahmedabad. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff of India? Correct answer is option D. General Upendra Dwivedi. In which year was the Indian Army founded? Correct answer is option C. 1895. Where is the National Defense Academy located? Correct answer is option A. Which was the first nuclear test conducted by India? Correct answer is option B. Smiling Buddha. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Correct answer is option A. Paramveer Chakra. Which operation was launched during the Kargil War? Correct answer is option B. Operation Vijay.